Oh my goodness gracious. After all these years.
After all these years, we are wrapping up our time in Newmarket. And you guys have been hearing this for 2 years now that you're going to see this building done. And that's right. We are on our last building and we've had a crew there working for the first time ever remote. We have just directed them remote with directions and things. But the kitchen, we are going to get our hands involved with.
Yeah.
So we're going to take you along with us. Aren't you excited?
I'm ready to do this thing. Another pregnancy project. Why wouldn't I be excited?
I know.
That's how we do it.
But I'm only in my, 20 weeks. I'm not like,
we're good. We're safe.
I'm not due next week.
We're safe.
Guys, we are going to knock out a kitchen in 2 days. We are really hoping for one. So we are going to take you along with us and we're so excited. And we are also kind of getting a date. So this is nice. We are leaving officially all the kids.
Our dates are weird.
For the first...
They're very weird.
You did that in a vlog. I did that in a vlog in Bethel. I'm like, why are we always dating like this? His head's like in the ceiling, standing on a ladder.
We love it though. We love it.
Yeah, this is fun.
All right, so come along with us. We're about to head out. Mimi, thank you. You're an angel. This will be the last time we probably ever do something like this. So
we are really hoping this is it.
From home, from this spot.
Everything else is going to be here.
So get used to the scenery. You're going to see a lot of it.
Yeah, so Darren said after this project, we have 2 months left till baby is here. And so we got 2 months to work on the house. So that's fun.
2 months and 2 kitchens here. So we're going from kitchen to kitchen to kitchen.
Yeah, we're getting a little, you're warming up.
I'm doing this. First quarter is all about kitchens, baby. That's why I married you, because you can cook. I need to get you some kitchens in the house.
It all starts in the kitchen.
We just went from 2 days to 12 weeks on this pregnancy. Don't try and tell me you're going with my idea just to make this behind the scenes footage that you will never see.
1, 2, 3.
One less turn. You're really building your case.
If that is a drain, God loves me. That's what I'm putting the entire kitchen on this side. If that's a drain.
Turn the water off.
Wait.
Boy, we got some work to do. Oof. Late night. Well, you know you're in the right place when you're staring at your favorite store. Thanks, babe. What a view. Homeland, Home Depot. I'm gonna keep saying it. It's gonna be just like I've talked about this kitchen for...
Keep saying it.
2 years, huh?
Maybe they'll call us on our kitchens.
All right, sounds good.
Well, Mr. J's is not open. With the temps being lower than 15 the next few nights, we have changed our hours this week. I feel you. I don't want to be out here in this mess either. My goodness gracious. All right. Demo day.
We have arrived. Bright and early. We have arrived. Here's the kitchen we're standing in. We negligibly forgot boxes. There's lots of stuff in here. So we're gonna have to figure out how to empty the cabinets so we can demo this out very quickly and then we can finalize the final plan. But lots going on here, lots of people here working in the other rooms, but we're really, really gonna try and get this done in 2 days.
I thought you were about to say 2 hours. I thought it was like the whole
The
kitchen.
demo, that would be amazing. Yeah, that would be amazing.
I'm doing a Tim style demo.
Rock and roll.
Oh my goodness gracious. Holy camola. Oh. Hey! Hey! Oh, this is beautiful. little cross almost. Let's do that. I'm gonna toss that puppy. Oh, you. I swear. That's why I said you're not certain. You're not sold on those. I know you're not sold because you never buy something the first thing you see. That's never happened to me. That's like how I shop.
It's true.
You can help me for electrical boiler.
For the, it's connected.
For electric.
It's hot.
The electrical?
The for the
hot water heater.
yeah, the half,
electrical.
the little one. I guess that's what he said.
Yeah. Okay. Let me empty this real quick.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to light this man on fire, babe. I don't know if it's hot. That's hot.
But that's the box.
This is not hot. So, yeah, there's a switch. That's all. Okay.
Okay. That's good.
Cut this thing. Freaking Wayne. Even though this stuff is not hot, I still do not. I just don't trust electrical.
Yeah, I hear you.
I know what it is. Is that an elbow? Am I messing with an elbow? I'm gonna cut the elbow off. That's it. Okay, just pull through. No matter what they say, God made the universe. Here you go. Pass you the baton. We can use those copper pipes in the kitchen. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Pass you the baton of a hot water heater for your bidet.
Ah!
You took my money out, girl? Trying to get paid over here? We just got started.
Please put this on for this job.
I'm about to have a good day. Cause I'm nowhere to obey. Sun is shining down on me.
What
The
you can wear
belt does
tonight.
not fit me. It doesn't fit me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I bought this for you.
Babe, we need plates for our house.
Yeah, take those back to the house.
Thank you, Lord, for your provision. $90,000 plate.
The kids can drop every single one of them.
Let's just have a plate breaking party. Seriously, we're taking those back to the house. And that'll give you time to finalize what you want.
I want these. I want antiques.
Okay, well then there you go. We'll give you time to go look for them. This goes to a crock pot. You want to toss it? Or you can use it as a serving?
No, I have the chicken. Go to a crock pot.
Yeah.
Great.
Girl, I grew up with them crock pots. You ever been to a potluck before? Everybody scrambling for a plug? Girl. There are 3 plugs in the fellowship hall, okay? So first come, first served.
Got it. Wow.
Y'all must have had more plugs in the, in Northern Virginia churches. Y'all probably had a plug for each pot. Thing going on. Dylan Callie said, well, the church is livable, but morning stuff, I'm not sure. We were like, I'm totally down. You cannot be safe with your family. You must live in asbestos and mold. I need to apologize to him for that one. I really do. That's horrible. That's just when you take Jesus too seriously. Oh, man. I need to come with some reinforcements. Sorry, bro. This is back when contractors, they came with a plan.
They what?
They came with a plan. Look, little pantry door.
Little pantry door.
You take it and you make sure it goes in the right place.
That is hilarious. Little pantry door. What a joke.
This thing is just gonna come off.
Yeah, good. Tim that thing. I need you to demo like 10 minutes.
Boy, Tim will be proud. He will be proud. Yes. It's ready to pull.
Do you want to cut 2 pieces?
It'll fit. If I can get it out.
I have sauce if you want.
Get the thing.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
No, hey, no problem.
Hey, thank you.
We go lower with it. So yep, and then there we go.
Excuse me. Right.
Would you rather be across the pond at chef school or here with me doing the kitchen?
Oh, that's such a difficult question.
My dear friend, and by dear friend, I do mean social media buddy that does not know I exist, has taken his 8 kids and his family across the pond to go to chef school. And we were like, that is crazy. We thought we were crazy going away for 2 days, leaving our 7 kids to do a kitchen, and they're going 12 weeks to chef school. Daniel, you're the man.
Ah!
You're the man. I can't wait to taste one of those meals that you figure out how to make over there in Ireland. Is that where they're at?
Yeah.
Well, we're in Newmarket, and we're gonna have a Let's Go's today, okay? So
No, we're not.
we're having Let's Go's. We're gonna have the taco truck. Even better.
Mama, see that taco truck.
Mama's the taco truck. Monica's convinced that natural gas is like running water, you know? So should be no problem. Should be no problem to figure out how to unhook the stove. You slide by. There is a shut off valve. But all right, so check this. Turn the stove on. Let me shut the valve and see if the flame will stop.
Oh, look at you. Getting a little liquid courage there.
Liquid courage. Well, I could use another coffee.
You didn't finish your first one.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Subpar coffee.
What is y'all's favorite burner? What's your favorite? Everybody has a favorite burner.
Oh, on the stove? Oh, you got it on. I didn't know that.
Front right.
Front right is yours?
Yeah. Favorite burner.
This is just spinning.
It just,
It just spins. It doesn't shut off.
well, it just flickered.
Let me try to tighten it with the grill.
Yeah. Obviously, it should not be just spinning. It's off. Oh, it's back on.
Okay, well, let me.
It's off.
I don't trust it.
It's off.
Yeah, I mean, it just spins though. Pile the light off.
Yeah. These are the pads.
So, okay, I'm not gonna take it off, but I think it'll be good enough for us to replace it once we get the new stove.
You gotta cut that. Use the sawzall. That's spray foam. That's spray foam.
I didn't want a draft coming from the pantry. I'm gonna get in there.
Use a knife then. Use your drywall knife. I gotta bring a sense of order to this thing here. Did you already get it?
Oh, you still looking for a knife over there? I thought you were on a deadline.
Ah!
You've been fired.
Pretty hard.
Taking that long.
You got a knife on you?
Babe, I came to work. What did you
You
come
actually
to do?
have a knife
What
on
did you come to do?
Marry
Chandler
me.
glasses. I got my
Marry me. Marry me. Goodness. Oh my word.
Where did you put my hammer?
Right here.
And my
Where's your
crowbar?
tool belt?
My crowbar was on that cabinet.
I swear, I'm a
It
loser.
doesn't fit. You can't.
It doesn't loosen.
No.
This is Chapman's.
Yeah. I don't have a boy with me today.
Oh man.
I don't have that truck with me.
Chapman's tool belt.
We might make it on TV now. We got a real crew. We got a real crew.
If that is a drain, the Lord loves me because I wanted to move the kitchen to this side, but Darren doesn't want to because we'd have to cut into the floor to get to the drains. But I'm pretty sure that is a drain. And if it is, Lord help me.
Oh,
What? What?
That is a drain.
That's a cast iron drain.
If that is a drain, God loves me.
That's a
I am
cast.
putting the entire kitchen on this side if that's a drain. That's the main water. That's amazing.
What?
Just get this
Yeah,
out.
yeah, yeah. Let's get it out. Oh, Valentine. No problem.
no problem.
We will put the kitchen away.
Where's the broom? Aaron and I need to work in a clean job site. We do not like a mess. Do not. Throw that, please. That big piece of tape sweep up. All right, let's move everything to this side of the room. We'll get that other cabinet out. This is transformative. So thankful. Can you rip this up? Look, it doesn't go all the way down. The key for us is a clean job site. We don't like working in a mess. True that.
True that. Let's see.
So we will sweep in the middle of demo. I have wanted the whole kitchen over here and then put the eat-in table over here, which would just help with the flow so much more.
We just went from 2 days to 12 weeks on the programs.
Yes, and I got more, so I got more
Okay.
being delivered of both.
Okay.
Okay, so this goes in the
Yes.
okay. Yeah, so that is floor and then
Oh, sorry.
the floor of the shower. Okay, the 12 boxes are 144 square feet. So if you do 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, that's 45 square feet just for the walls. So we have plenty of the 12 boxes. You know what I'm saying? So maybe we don't do the ceiling. I don't know. See how much we have. Yeah. And then you saw the bumper. You saw the curb,
Yes, I see that.
the waterproof. Yeah, so that you don't.
Black one, you want?
Sorry.
I'll get this over.
Hi. How are you?
Can you help me with this, and then we won't have to come out anymore. Thank you. getting yourself into, babe? Just
I scored it. Why isn't it?
trying to see what this is. You're getting into the washer and dryer over here.
I'm very aware of what I'm doing.
All right, never mind. I'll leave you alone, ma'am.
No, I
Call me
said.
if you need me.
No, I said help me. Can you, I guess, score it again?
Yeah, you can't just score it one time.
You can't?
No, you gotta at least twice is what I do. I think your kitchen remains here.
Thanks to shark bite fittings, which we have an abundance of that we can reuse. I do like your idea about going with copper pipe, making it an accent, like because that's what these are exposed pipes. All the boiler.
You know how to solder?
We're gonna use the shark bite fittings.
Oh, on the copper
That's what I'm
pipes.
saying. So it's gonna be brass and copper. It's actually gonna be like really pretty.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
I don't know what that has to do with moving the kitchen over there with a drain, cast iron drain pipe. If that's a drain pipe. I'm saying the kitchen needs to stay right here. But you're saying, why would you need the copper pipes? Oh, because that's still all that work and you can't cut the pipes regardless. So you still want to move this even though you can't cut the pipes. That to me would extend our project beyond, like, we have 2 days.
No, what I'm thinking is if those pipes have to stay there, they can either just go up and over, like with the boil, like up this direction.
Up and over to go where?
To go over this way, to connect to the 2 pipes over there, as well as branch the sink off right there.
And then you're gonna have some random pipes coming up over.
They're not random. They're going to be flush to the wall,
Oh,
flush
I know
to the
that.
ceiling, flush over there. Instead of when you walk in right now, it looks like, oh,
Well,
the
you're
door
seeing
was an
this-
afterthought because
You're seeing this. Well, sure. Every historic building is an afterthought.
what I'm saying is you wouldn't see it if it ran up this direction, up and over. When you walk into the kitchen,
I understand what you're saying. I'm just saying we have 2 days, and I just don't think because you're going up and over, you're coming around, and then you're gonna branch into that. And
they need to be
and then-
adjusted anyway. So that's what I'm saying. They have to be touched and messed with. The pipes. I mean, this is not going to work.
I know that we're doing we're gonna do the copper pipes with the shark pipe fittings.
Either way, that's what I'm going to do with the pipes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 turns instead of just 1, 2, 3.
One less turn. You're really building your case.
It's big.
It's a big case
big.
you got here,
Big.
Mrs. Duquesne. Whatever you want to do with it. I mean, let's just do whatever you're trying to do with it,
I'm
because
telling you,
you have to figure out if that's a drain first before you sit here and build your case.
No, I'm saying if I keep the kitchen over here, which I'm leaning with for you, because this is all here, I'm still going to do the pipes from this direction. This is the from behind the fridge. Putting the fridge here. I'm gonna just take these copper pipes straight up, over and down. it flows a lot better than this is all, and this is all open.
That's fine, baby.
That has to be cut out anyway. It's a leak. It's a repair. I mean, and I'm gonna do what you said. I'm gonna do the copper. I'm not gonna do the PEX.
Babe, don't try and tell me you're going with my idea just to make this.
So here's what I am gonna do with the pipes.
Paint them. It's gonna blend into the house. Okay, what are you gonna do? Build a bulkhead like Terry?
No, what I was gonna say is I'm going up with the pipes through the wall and coming out like the boiler pipes. Coming out at this.
You're taking your.
I'm still gonna take them over this direction, rather than keep that
So
atrocity.
just one side, you're gonna go up through the wall.
Okay, I don't have to go up through the wall. We can go on top of the wall, and either way, what I'm saying is I'm going up and I'm coming over and I'm coming down here.
18-inch cabinet, because you have to somehow tie.
We gotta build a vent hood on this line. I smell gas. So we gotta build the vent hood on this line. Don't you smell that? So can we, because this shut-off valve is busted anyway. I told you we needed a shut-off valve on the main. So since I'm not moving anything, can we move this? Because this floor is already cut here. Can we just move it over by this? Oh wow. Yeah, that's cool. That's smart. That was so smart of them. How did you know that? Just looked it up.
What are you trying to do with this? All these pipes. You want this to come out of the floor right here?
Look, that's in line with the cabinets. You see what I'm saying?
I understand.
It's going to be added a little bit. If this were over there too, it would all be hidden. Remember, we have flooring coming in over top of this. Hey, so I'm not trying to do this little jerry-rigged cutout out of the nice new flooring, out of the main part of the floor. That's going to be.
The only thing you can do is put this definitely just got the water off the building, hope the water stops.
Cut the water off to the
But right here. Hey, please get down. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my. Oh my. And that's not working.
Must have disconnected it. It's all the same. It's weird. Well, we were trying to figure out why our water was not working upstairs, which is the only toilets that this pregnant mama can use in this job site. And it's because it's been 8 degrees here with 8 inches of snow and the pipes are frozen. So I've asked our fearless leader here if he can pour some.
That was a black box.
It is.
Let's see a black box.
We're gonna try and pour hot water.
Where's our black box? They must have covered it.
We need more hot water.
Well, of course. But I swear I thought the black box was on top of the ground. I think it's under the mulch.
I don't know. But the pipe is right on the left side of that window. On the inside, you know? That's where the pipe is.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you say?
Just thinking about where it's coming out here.
Yeah.
So probably have to, what I'm saying is
Melt ice all the way down.
we probably have to move the snow.
Okay. Oh, Inspector Darren on the job site here. How can I help you, ma'am? I heard you were in some deep doo-doo.
This is my last ditch effort to convince you of my plan. Okay, since we have the opening on the floor over there and the opening right here, and we have a drain there, but you don't want to move these pipes, and neither do I because they're cast iron. This is my proposition. My proposition is to cut this drain off at this flush with the floor, and all we have to do is lay a drain pipe under the joist to connect from over here to over here, and just put a coupling to put this. We can actually reuse this, you know, if you cut it off at the base. Mm-hmm. And then we can actually just tie into the same drain by having the floor open both places. That way, all the pipes are hidden that are back here by cabinets. Because
you're trying to say, what are you trying to say? Why would you lay a drain under the floor? What? What are you trying to hide? You're not moving the kitchen over there.
I am.
The sink and stuff?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. Well, then that's where you should have started with, because I was like, why are you moving the drain? How is your kitchen going to lay out over here? Where's your fridge going to go? Is it too deep for the door right
probably
there?
Just put it there.
It's too deep.
It's going to come to the middle of that trim.
You already measured?
I measured it the other day.
Oh, man. So then you're going to take the door off the pantry?
No. Why would you? This is nice that it's... The pantry will be within the kitchen now. See, the 29 and a quarter is the fridge.
It's coming to like the edge of the trim. But the door still opens, I guess, is what you're...
Well, why don't we just move it real quick?
No, it's fine.
If you're good with doing this.
My measuring tape is sufficient.
I'm saying it. You'll see. We will see what it looks like.
Yeah, we can still do that too. I'm just curious. Yeah, I mean the edge of the trim. Okay, so fridge.
Small cabinet, which is still kind of the measurement.
Fridge, small cabinet.
Sink. Countertop. That L's. This stays here.
So you're getting rid of the dishwasher.
Oh, hadn't thought about the dishwasher.
Fridge, dishwasher, sink.
You could do fridge, dishwasher, because the countertop's just going to go over it. I mean, I'm sorry, but don't you just immediately feel differently with the scale of all the heaviness over here?
I'm a different
and this
type of
being
person.
open.
I didn't even recognize it over there.
What?
Yeah, that being against that door just makes me cringe. It's just like, oh, that's so tight.
Okay, the other thing
I don't
is...
even walk in the pantry.
Okay.
Now, if that wasn't there...
Now, the other thing is, with all these cozy European cottages I've been studying, there's never a fridge, ever, in the pictures.
Oh, I know that.
Because they're in the pantry.
You shipwreck, babe.
Well, then, put the fridge in the pantry.
We tried that before.
It worked.
No, it did not work.
What?
We lived
Yeah.
here with the fridge in the pantry.
It did work. It didn't work because we didn't take this top shelf out right here, and it was a mini fridge. That's what didn't work.
A mini fridge?
That's what we had in there. We had a
You're
mini
trying to
fridge in there.
Live with a mini fridge with 15 people in the house?
What? No.
I don't understand.
I won't go through the door.
All right, so check this out. Check this out.
The problem is I really want the kitchen over there. It just feels better. It's just the greatest problem.
How much space did we need
Mimi said, what,
to go through the door?
27 inches without the doors on. 24 is the door.
Cut the wall to right here. Cut the wall to 28 inches and repair it. Stick the fridge in there, but you ain't getting that thing out, dog.
I like the door
How
on
you
the
doing it?
pantry.
Oh, that door. Oh man. Okay, put it over here. I'm not gonna fight anymore about it. It won't matter unless we can get the pipes over there anyway. Then it's just like
What won't matter?
if we can't get these drain pipes over there, your kitchen.
Oh,
can't be
you
over
were gonna pull that to see what that looks like under there.
I don't understand this. You know, how that's supposed to... Babe, take a deep breath. My goodness.
We're gonna replace all this
You,
with a piece of subfloor
okay, can
anyway, because this just lifts right up.
All right. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Miyagi.
It's gonna be better to just
Yeah,
have
yeah,
one
yeah, I'm with
piece of
you, I'm with
subfloor
you.
for him
I'm with you.
instead of all the little.
Well, this is where I would cut the joist and follow
Cut
it
the
down
joist?
line. Cut the wood floor. Follow it down this line and twist it. Twist it over there. Oh, that ain't happening. You got these wood things that the joists sit on.
That's because somebody shored that up.
Well, yeah.
What's under there? Put your head under the joist.
Oh, yeah. Must be nice. Put my head under here.
Well, the pipe does run over there, so
They're all the way over. They go all the way over to the other side. We're not going to be able to do it.
do you see where these go? These water pipes?
Is this a leak or is that from you earlier?
I don't know because they had water running in the bathroom on the floor.
I don't know. I'd have to step back and look at it again. I mean,
Yeah.
it probably doesn't matter because you'll put stuff in the corner or whatever.
All right, I think Darren's winning on this one. Alrighty. Congratulations.
Promoted.
You're so funny.
I've been promoted.
So just, tape it out, chalk it out if you have concerns.
Lord help me. We've got to get rolling. We're going to be here till midnight.
Oh, you're coming home tonight?
No.
Oh.
No, but I'm saying we were supposed to be already
Halfway done.
halfway done today.
All right.
We have water.
Praise God. I gotta pee. Okay, hallelujah.
Yes.
Oh,
It worked.
guys.
Pregnant lady gonna have to walk stairs to go potty.
In the case of no toilet, though, I'll tell you, a 5-gallon bucket works amazing.
True that. Boy, we got some work to do. Oof.
Late night, guys. Darren won, so the kitchen is gonna be on this wall. So sad. There's pipes coming out of everywhere.
It's gonna look better.
It is. So, kitchen on this wall and on the back wall for the stove. We're gonna build a vent hood, and dining table will be on that side, and pantry will be buttoned up. It'll be amazing.
Yeah. And then you got your
We are
pipe swish.
significantly behind time.
Pipe swish. We're gonna.
And we're gonna hide the pipes under the floor because we at least have 2 openings in the floor to be able to navigate that. That's huge. And the water pipes are flexible, so that's amazing. That's a win. Huge win.
All right, Home Depot it is.
Home Depot. And tacos.
See how far I am or where I'm at.
You want me to push it?
Not yet. Let me stick my head under there. Okay, I see it. Pull it back out. Pull it back out. Yeah, you're stuck under a piece of wood. Pull it. Yeah, now go back in. Go back out. Go, push, 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 push. Pull. Yeah, push. 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 Stop, stop. 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 It's going this way.
Okay.
That's what I would
Should
need
we
to-
go in that? Should we go in that hole and try and go?
Let me see. Let me see the pathway. Just help me get the... Oh, it's so tight in here. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Man, you're hitting... Here, let me see if it's over here. Huh?
Can you put your Valentine? Can you put your head down and look under to see what it's hitting on?
If you look towards the light... No?
You can't see it. Sounds like it's. You can't. Darren, you can't
It's
put
like
your
right
head in
under
there.
Let me look. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah. Pull it back out. Maybe go around. I think we're gonna have to go around that second set of blocking.
The problem is, it's good. The one is going the.
Hitting that.
Yes.
Could just cut one more section right here.
Oh, do you want me to pull it back some? Oh, wait. Let's see what he's doing.
He's right here. He's literally. He went right there.
Yeah.
He hit it right away. He's gonna tie that to the.
Take it. Keep going.
Bring it back to him.
Yeah, I know.
I got it.
I love you, Valentine.
That is unbelievable.
Oh my goodness.
That's unbelievable.
This is literally brilliant.
Well, now we know how the guys do it. Oh, it's, yeah, it might come.
We don't want it to slip
Yeah.
off. Yeah.
That's unbelievable. You can tell I've never gone fishing, Valentine. The only fish I caught is a fish taco.
Oh my goodness. You're delusional. It's time for bed.
We're doing this thing. Tim would be proud. Where's the Gaither brothers?
No, below.
I think he went above.
He went below. Yeah, it's right here. The pipe is right here. My goodness, Valentine.
You're hired. I'm fired. You're hired.
Oh my goodness.
And with this simple fix, you get rid of your French country, backwoods, water pipe, DIY fixtures. Thank you for coming to our home improvement channel. I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.
French country.